Hello guys, good evening. You are welcome to my YouTube channel, the Space Tutorials. My name is Tutor Joseph. In today's video, we shall be discussing, or we are still discussing, empirical and molecular formula. Please, as you are watching this video, don't forget to hit the bell so that when I upload new content, you will be notified. Now, we have a question about that you and I are to solve. The question says, adenine, an important biochemical, has a molecular mass of 135.1 gram and consists of this. What is molecular formula? The first thing you have to do is to bring out the elements: carbon, hydrogen, and what? Nitrogen. Carbon is what? 44.45. Hydrogen is what? 3.73, and nitrogen is what? 52.82. Alright, so you have to divide each element by the molar mass number. You have what? 12, 1, 14. The molar mass of carbon is this 1 and what? 14. The molar mass of carbon is 12, 14, 1. Okay, so let's go. 44.45 divided by 12. Everything is 3.70, or let me just leave it as one decimal place, then 3.73, then 52.82 divided by 14. I have 3.77. Alright, 3.77. The next to do is to divide through by the least value, which is what? 3.7. You say 3.7, 3.7, 3.7. So this you have 1 to ratio, then 1. Alright, so the empirical formula becomes C1, just write C, H1, so just write H, and N1, just write what? N. Alright, leave it like that. This is what the empirical formula. But they said, what is the molecular formula of this compound? What is the molecular formula of this compound? Now, what we have to do is, okay? What we have to do is to do it like this. Let me rub it off, please. Now, to calculate for the molecular formula, molecular formula N equals what? Molar mass. All right. This okay. No. Empirical formula N equals what? Molar mass. The empirical formula is what? CHN. Then you have N equals what? The molar mass is what? I think 135.1. Yeah, 135.1. So what do you do? Carbon is 12. 12 plus hydrogen is what? 1 plus nitrogen is what? 14. Then on N equals what? 135.1. Alright. 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 plus 14 is what? 27N. 27N equals what? 135.1. Divide both sides by 27. N equals 135.1 divided by 27. I have it to be what? 5. Alright. Now listen very well. If they had given us the molar mass as vapor density, that is, instead of giving us molar mass and we are given vapor density, we have to multiply by 2. For example, now if the vapor density was 60, it becomes what? 2 times 60, and that will give us what? 120. But when you are given the molar mass, you are not to multiply by 2. Now, since we've gotten N equals 5, to get the molecular formula, you have to multiply this compound with what? 5. So 5 times C becomes what? C5. So 5 times H becomes H5. Excuse me. Then 5 times N becomes what? N5. N what? 5. So this is what? The molecular formula of this compound. Okay, this is the molecular formula of this compound. Now I told that the molecular formula of a given compound shows the number of atoms present in that compound. Then I said that the empirical formula of a compound shows the number of ratio present in that compound. Now looking at this, 5 divided by 5 is what? 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 5 divided by 5 is what? 1. So if I want to write, becomes CHM. So this is what the empirical formula, and that is what we have it to be. Alright, so we add N to be 5, so multiply this compound with this 5, and that will give us this. So this is what? The molecular formula of this compound. At this point, we'll call it a day. Thanks for watching. Do have a wonderful night rest. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.